Fantasy two-tiered cake recipe. Ingredients for the cake layers. Each tier needs the following amount separately. Eggs -4. Sugar 150 g. Flour 150 g. Vanilla extract 1 tsp. Baking powder to 1 tsp. Melted butter 100 g. For the cream filling, mascarpone or cream cheese to 400 g. Heavy cream 35%, 200 ml. Powdered sugar to 100 g. Vanilla extract 1 tsp. For decoration fantasy style, sugar fondant in pastel colors lavender, mint green, sky blue. Edible gold food paint. Sugar crystals or colored rock candy. Edible moss made from crumbled green cake or dyed biscuit. A mini sugar dragon made in advance. Edible glitter stars and magical themed cake toppers instructions. 1. Bake the cake layers. 1. Whisk the eggs and sugar until light and fluffy 7 to 8 minutes. 2. Sift in the flour, baking powder, and vanilla extract and mix gently. 3. Add the melted butter and fold in carefully. 4. Pour into a cake tin and bake at 180 degrees Celsius, 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 to 35 minutes. 5. Once cooled, slice each cake into 2 to 3 layers for layering with cream. 2. Prepare the cream. 1. Beat the mascarpone and powdered sugar until smooth. 2. In another bowl, whip the heavy cream until stiff peaks form. 3. Gently fold the whipped cream into the mascarpone mixture. 4. Add vanilla extract and mix until smooth. 3. Assemble the cake. 1. Spread cream between each layer. 2. Stack the larger tier on the bottom and the smaller one on top. 3. Cover the entire cake with a thin layer of cream and smooth it out. Decorating the cake. 1. Cover the entire cake with pastel-colored fondant. 2. Paint sections with edible gold paint for a magical effect. 3. Decorate the base with edible moss crumbled green cake. 4. Place sugar crystals around the bottom tier. 5. Put the sugar dragon figure on the top tier. 6. Add edible glitter stars and magical decor to complete the fantasy look.